Hi friends, this is Selvajang here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today let us see how to configure SSH on a router, right? So this is the architecture R1 and R2. So let us configure the directly connected interfaces. And I'm going to show how to configure the SSH on a router. So I'm going to configure SSH on R2, and then we'll check whether we are able to SSH from R1 router to R2. So let us first configure the interfaces. Go to the configuration mode. Interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0. IP addresses 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0. Then do a no shut. Similar way, let us go to R2 and go to the configuration mode. Interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0. IP addresses 192.168.1.2, 255.255.255.0, and do a no shut. Right? So we configure the basic interface on both R1 and R2, and I'm able to reach the remote interface. One dot I'm just trying, so I'm able to reach. So now let us do the SSH configuration on R2. So what are things I have to do? First I have to configure the host name. So host name already I've done. So if you want, I will show you host name. Go to router. Just I'm creating different host name. So after that, save it. Then let us create the username and password. So username Selva and the password will create as Selva. Then we have to create the enable secret password. Enable secret password, right? So we are done with the basic configuration. So I created the host name and created the username, password, and the enable secret password. So now I have to configure the domain name. Configuration mode, IP domain name. I'm giving cisco.com, right? IP domain name. Then we have to generate the key. That is a crypto key. So crypto key generate RSA. That's the command. Click enter. So it will ask for how many bits. So you can put 1024 and click enter. So it will start generating the key, and it is showing SSH has been enabled, right? SSH, you are able to see SSH has been enabled. So now let us save the configuration. So I have done with the configuration. So now let us SSH from our router R1, right? What is the command? SSH 192.168.1.2. Click enter. So there is no user specified for the SSH client, it is telling, right? So let us now check the user. So I already defined the user. So let us check it out again. So let us now configure the username again. So username Selva, and the password will. So now let us see SSH. So what is the command you have to give is SSH followed by -L. Then we have to give the username Selva Jagan, and then we have to give the IP address 192.168.1.2. Just click enter. It is asking for the password. Just type Selva Jagan. Click enter. Enable. So now do the enable thing. It will ask for the enable password. Enable secret will given as Selva, right? So just click enter. So yeah. So now I'm able to log in with the help of SSH from R1 to R2. So this is a key point you have to always keep it in mind while enabling SSH. So what are things you have to do? You have to configure the username and password and the enable secret password. Then I have to create a domain name. Then we have to use the command crypto key generate RSA. So that will generate the RSA key and it will show SSH is enabled. Then you can try SSH from R1 to R2. So this is the way we can configure the SSH on a router. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day.